happy morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series we are going to discuss the subject programming in C. In that programming in C we are going to discuss the topic facts about C language. Before we enter into the introduction, let us see what is meant by C language first. C language is nothing but general purpose programming language. It's a powerful programming language in order to develop advanced programming language. So it's a basic programming language in order to develop software like operating system, database, in order to manage the database, and then if you want to develop some kind of database, for that also C programming will much more helpful. And also apart from that, if you want to develop some compilers like Dev C++, in that and all we are using some kind of the basic code among the C language. C programming is we used to call as an excellent language in order to learn to program for beginners. So beginner level, if you want to learn some computerized language, first the basic language is none other than C programming language. It's a we used to call as an structure as well as procedural oriented language. C programming, the combination of algorithmic language at the same time the programming language developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratory of USA in the year 1971. It was designed and developed, written by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, as well as the replace the familiar language of that like programming language, procedural language, at the same time algorithmic language. The combination of algorithmic language and then basic combined programming language, in that only they developed a C programming language by Dennis Ritchie. That ANSI C emerged in the early 1980s. Two titles was split it into two titles. The original was still called Programming in C, and another one is covered ANSI C, that is called as Programming in ANSI C. Facts about C programming language. In the year 1988, the American National Standard Institute, none other than an acronym ANSI, has formalized the C programming language. C was invented to write Unix operating system. The main impact of C programming language is to develop the operating system. That C is a successor of basic combined programming language, and then C language was helpful for develop operating system, then pre-hypertext processor language, at the same time database, that is nothing but MySQL, all are written in C programming. That we used to call as that written assembly language is also much more helpful by C programming language. The main impact, the features of C programming is it's a portable language, multi-platform oriented language. Wherever we are in need of developing a code using C, we can easily develop with the help of C programming language. At the same time, it's an efficient language, easy to learn. We used to call as an robust language. C programming is the main important is the basic programming language in order to develop software as well as the database, and then if you want to develop some compiler, it's much more helpful, as well as it's a base to learn that high level language like .NET, Java, the PHP and all developed with the help of C programming only. At the same time, C programming is we used to call as a structured programming language, that we are going to follow some kind of structure while developing a C coding. That by implementing many derived data types like structure, function, arrays, these and all very much helpful for reduce the complicated coding process in order to develop some kind of software as well as hardware. The main purpose of developing C programming is none other than, first thing is to develop an operating system, and then only step over the develop the compilers, at the same time database, and then mobile software development, all with the help of C programming they develop many softwares. Hope you understand the importance about at the same time facts about the C language. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.